Today I'm doing a quick review of the Yamatic 5000 PSI with the 3/8 inch swivel bottom gun, and I'm going to show you on their website exactly what they sell. So that they sell a whole bunch of different things. They sell everything from, like, you know, the pressure washer guns to the hoses to quick connects, whole bunch of different things, even the pumps, replacement pumps for pressure washers. They have a couple different kinds of the pressure washer handles or guns. The cheapest one that they sell is $33.99. It's a 4000 PSI pressure washer gun. They also bump it up to a 4500 PSI, 8 gallon per minute pressure washer gun, which is not that bad, and it comes with a couple different nozzles and the quick connects. And then the one that I have that they sent out to me so I could try it out, it's the 5000 PSI commercial grade 3/8 inch swivel inlet with the M22 14 millimeter adapters and the 1/4 inch quick connect at the top for your nozzles and all that kind of stuff. So they got the long, you know, wands. Also, they have a combination of like the standard ones that you typically get from like the Ryobi's and all those different manufacturers that come with the boxes. They're a little bit less expensive, but the one that I'm testing out is only $42.99. It's on sale. I'll have the link for the Yamatic pressure gun, the website, and also all the connections that come with it. And I'll have a coupon code that you could use so you could save a couple extra bucks. So let's try it out. Let's see if it checks all the boxes, and let's go from there. All right, so this is the box that they sent it to me in. Again, it's 5000 PSI half pressure washer trigger gun, and it's from the company Yamatic. If you want to get this stuff off of Amazon, you can, but you can get it directly from their website for the same exact price. I don't know if shipping is free. You might want to check with them. That's the benefit of having Amazon Prime. But anyway, this is what I got. This is what they sent me. So this is the 5000 PSI, maximum of 212 Fahrenheit. So it handles hot water, 350 bar, 100 degrees Celsius, 12 US gallons per minute, or 45 liters per minute. But it looks like it's made really well. I mean, honestly, it really is. Trigger works really well. It reminds me a lot of the Torque that I have, the Torque pressure washer gun. It's got the swivel bottom on the bottom, so it won't kink your pressure washer hose. So yeah, so this is the before. It comes with some instructions. Here are the instructions. So a couple of things they wanted me to point out to you. The unique heat dissipating design, making the handle gun maintain a cooler temperature while you're using it, which can improve user comfort, reducing the risk of damage, and prolonging the lifespan. They're also saying that the snub hose design is ideal for cleaning tasks that require one-hand operation, so you don't have that long, you know, wand up front. It's got this 3/8 inch quick connector inlet to avoid kinks of the pressure washer hose, and it's an easy pull trigger, reduce hand fatigue while operation. It looks like a pretty good unit. It looks pretty durable. You know, honestly, it's a high quality unit, so I'm really anxious to see how this thing works. So let's put it together, because it does come with the quick connects. So let's put that on the unit. It's all Teflon taped already for you, so all you gotta do is tighten it up, and let's give it a shot. All right, here's the before and after, with the quick connects on and ready to rock and roll. Let's give it a shot. I mean, you have to ask yourself, what are the questions you're going to ask when you buy something like this? Number one, is it lightweight? Check. Is it durable? Check. Can it handle 5,000 PSI? Check. Can it handle high temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit? Check. I mean, it's pretty much, does it have the swivel? Check. So, I mean, it has dissipation vents? Check. It's got everything you need, and it's lightweight and everything. So, I think it's a great unit. Hats off to Yamatic, keeping the price low, keeping it available for everyone to get. There's a couple different options on their website, so go on their website, check it out, and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching.